Welcome to Education Rocks, kindergarten to grade 6 student learning activities. Reduce hours of prep. Students not at grade level? Nonverbal or speech-delayed students? Emergency subplans? New grade or split grade? Teach all ELA and math outcomes every day? Personalize student vocabulary lists, dictionaries, and math skills practice? TpT Easel activities and assessments? Yes! Education Rocks is a ready-to-use, no-prep ELA and math 180-day student learning program that spans the entire curriculum and is completely editable. Choose traditional and/or multimodal learning and response recording through video, audio, and digital tools. Subscribe on my website or at the end of the video to receive free resources you can try in your classroom today. This bundle is 45 days of student learning activities that span the entire ELA curriculum every day. Embedded digital reading books and age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Vocabulary words and letter sounds are hyperlinked for visual and auditory practice. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of first grade ELA full curriculum looks like. Reading strategies, reading accuracy, and retelling. Sharing, punctuation, and text features. Author's purpose, fiction or nonfiction, and reflecting. Environmental print, speaking skills, and story kinship. Story protocols and creative writing. Two-step instructions, verbal and nonverbal communication, word meaning, and Tier 2 and 3 vocabulary. Synonyms and antonyms, suffixes and compound words. Compound words, alliteration, rhyming words, and reading strategies. Segmentation, word morphology, upper and lowercase letters, and vocabulary words. Short vowels, consonant blends, long vowels, and bossy letter R vowels. Reading comprehension, predicting, reflecting, retelling, and predictable and decipherable words. Unknown words, fact or fiction, and similarities and differences. Reading strategies, opinion and illustrations, and pre-writing, questions and audience. Organizational writing. Report writing, edits, illustrations, and citations. Proofreading, punctuation, sentence types, and nouns and verbs. Sentence structure, word families, and spelling skills. There are 6 first grade ELA units. This one is the word work unit plan, or vocabulary and language. Units are excellent for morning work, targeted independent practice, and/or assessments. Word meaning and dictionary skills. Vocabulary, Tier 2 and Tier 3 words. Adding and deleting suffixes. Synonyms and antonyms. Creating compound words. Identifying compound words. Rhyming words. Alliteration. Decoding and segmenting. Reading strategies, poetry, and songs. Word morphology. Upper and lowercase letters. Short vowels. Consonant blends. Long vowels. Bossy letter R vowels. Vocabulary word practice. Access to 4,000 audio-visual decoding, segmenting, and spelling videos on my YouTube channel at Education Rocks, Inc. Create your own or purchase the completed resource. For independent daily practice. Share a Google slide copy with each student and delete and/or add words as you assess their word recognition skills. This bundle is 90 days of student learning activities that span the entire math curriculum. Every day. Embedded age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of first grade math full curriculum looks like. Number words, counting forwards and back counting, and skip counting by 2s and 5s. Partitioning, equalities and inequalities, and visualize compositions. Addition and subtraction facts, inverse operations, and fact families. Financial mathematics, goods and services, and geometric attributes. Comparing length, repeating patterns, missing elements, and sequencing. Data and visuals. There are 20 first-grade math units. This one is the Equality and Inequality Unit Plan. Units are excellent for morning work or targeted independent practice. Equalities and inequalities. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Excellent user-friendly format for both teacher and student. Editable. Over 200 Easel by TpT activities, and all are printable for traditional learning. Emergency sub-plans. We all need them. I've combined both ELA plus math into a 10-day full curriculum lesson plan that is a ready-to-use packet for your substitute teacher. Want to save money? Here is the mega bundle for ELA. Get all ELA unit plans for any grade level at 50% off the individual unit plan price. Want to save even more money? Here is the mega bundle for math. Get all math unit plans for any grade level at 75% off the individual unit plan price. Shop at your favorite teacher resource store. Subscribe using the URL below to receive my entire store of free resources. Reach out at hello@educationrocks.ca.